Hello, welcome to Punky Flute. Today we are going to explore different ways you can get started on improvising together with your friends or family members or your neighbors or anyone. Or you could go to a jam session and you could make friends with total strangers through playing music together. When we think of improvisation, we immediately think of great players who are out there playing amazing jazz solos, amazing pop rock bands, doing great guitar solos or whatever. But do we need to be amazing at our instruments before we start improvising with other people? I don't think so. In my opinion, music is for everyone, and everyone can improvise. And playing music with other people is just so much fun. So today let's explore together how you can get started improvising with someone else. Today we are joined by Pascal, who's a violinist, and it's an example of how if you had one friend or husband for this matter, who you think, oh yeah, let's play together, and if you know a same song, you could play that and improvise over it. Or you could have like a set idea that you want to do together. You could just go, let's do these chords, or let's improvise in a style of gypsy jazz, or if you want to play like that band that you like or something.
Let's do a sad one. Or let's do a happy one. Or let's do a fast, exciting one. Let's get sad and get happy.
So shall we do like a happy one to start with?
Sure.
We could do a sad one.
Okay.
We could agree on like a rhythmic idea.
Sure.
Or you could agree on like a key. Let's do like a song with one sharp, for example. Then you are both in the same key, therefore it's going to sound great.
Yes. All right.
Yay, cute. So these are the type of things that you can agree on before you start playing, and then you could make lovely music no matter what level of playing you are at.
also choose a time signature.
That is so true.
So like
Shall
we could do a waltz maybe in
Oh, yeah?
3, yeah.
So you have loads of options. Whatever you decide, it's gonna be fun because you're communicating with the other person playing through music. Have fun and enjoy, and let me know in the comments below how you get on. Find a friend and play music. Yay! I hope to see you next time. Bye!